This made from scratch French onion dip using healthier ingredients will make you want to leave the store-bought version at the store. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel where I am bringing you healthier versions of the recipes that we love. And today being a French onion dip. Now, what makes this recipe extra special for me is that these little beauties right here were harvested from our garden. This is our second season in, and this is the first season that we actually grew onions, you guys. So I am super excited to use them in this recipe today. And to make a healthier version of this French onion dip, I am using cottage cheese. So you guys, without further ado, gather everything up. I leave the ingredients in my description. Come in close and let's cook. Coming up next. Welcome back. So one of the things that we have to do is to go ahead and prep these onions so that we can take them over to the stove to caramelize them. When you caramelize the onions, it draws out all of the delicious flavor. It makes them an amber color and it makes them oh so sweet. So I've got my onions here that I've already taken the skin off of. So I just need to go ahead and just slice them a little bit like that. And as you can see, you guys, I've got a ways to go. So next time you see me, all of my onions will be sliced to size. Okay, we are down to our last few. Let's just go ahead and break them apart. Make sure they cook evenly. All right, and we are ready to go on over to the stove so that we can caramelize these onions. To our skillet, we are going to add some butter, and our onions. Okay, spread them around, get them coated in this butter. And we're going to continue to cook these on medium-low heat until they are caramelized with a nice amber color. And make sure that you stir them periodically throughout this process. These are ready. So I am going to set this aside so they can cool some. And then I am going to show you what I'm going to cook up next to pair with this dip. While these are cooling, I am going to shallow fry some low-carb tortilla shells. I think that dip is going to go beautifully with this. All right, the stove work is done. So these are these fried tortilla chips, and I season them with some sandwich sprinkle. Absolutely delicious, you guys. Okay, so let's move on to completing our dip. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add my smooth and creamy cottage cheese. You know how I absolutely love this stuff. You get it creamy and smooth by putting it into your blender. And I have a NutriBullet. Next, add in, I have some mayo and I've got some sour cream. And these are the traditional things that you would add to this dip. So I just wanted a little hint of that flavor in this as well, but leaning more towards the healthier side of things. Got some garlic powder, add that in to taste. And next, our caramelized onions. And one thing that I wanted to make note of is the butter that I use is salted, and it just gave the right amount of saltiness to these onions as they were cooking. And you guys, if you can smell the aroma of these onions, oh my gosh. And it's time to mix. Let's add in a little bit of paprika for color and just a little bit of smokiness, not too much. And next, I'm going to set this aside so that I can chop up some fresh chives that I also got from my garden. All right, everyone, this is ready to go off to the fridge. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to set it in the fridge. And then when I come back, I am going to slice up another thing that I'm going to pair with this dip. All right, for the cool and refreshing to go along with that tangy French onion dip, I've got a fresh cucumber that also came from my garden. I'm telling you, this garden is giving, you guys. This is a thing of beauty. Go ahead and cut them into the size slices that I want. I'm going to add a little salt to them. And then when I come back, I'm going to plate all of this and we will give all of this a taste. This is out of the fridge after sitting for about, I would say it's about an hour or so. Look at this, you guys. All of these delicious flavors have come together. All right, everyone, let's eat. Lord, I thank you. You guys, I have been wanting to give this a taste since I started caramelizing these onions. This is how fragrant and aromatic this dip is. One word, amazing. We took some healthier ingredients along with a traditional recipe, and we made it much better because we got to control the ingredients by making it at home using healthier ingredients such as the cottage cheese. You guys, absolutely phenomenal is this. I encouraged you to give this a try. And then once you do, leave in the comments, let me know how you feel about it. And also let me know when you do make it, what you are going to pair it with. I know the additional things that you pair with the dip are some potato chips, you guys. I love myself a potato chip, okay? And I may just indulge and have a few to go along with this dip. But in the meantime, okay, these healthier alternatives, okay, are absolutely phenomenal as well. Give this video a like and a share, and please do also share it with those that you feel would benefit from the recipes that I am bringing you here, you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell so that you know when I always upload new content such as this. You guys, as I always say, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special, and enjoy.